And that's how you tie a tie like a boss. So now that you popped your collar, put your tie around your neck, and every tie is going to have a fat end and a skinny end. So the fat end is going to do all the work, so make sure it's longer. Now your tie might be longer than mine, you might be taller than me, so all of that's going to affect where you start. But you take your fat end, you put it in front of your skinny end and cross that, and you just hold that. You go around the back, pinch, through the front, pinch, and you see this neck hold, this loop. You could easily just push it through this way, but what I recommend is actually grabbing the end and pushing that through instead, because it gives you a lot more space to work with, this big loop here. Pull it in there, center it, just tighten that knot. Okay. As you can see, still needs to be adjusted. All you do is you hold the skinny end in the back, your knot, you pull that up, and you adjust it till you get it just right. So the forehand is a smaller knot, so you don't want a spread out collar, and it's asymmetrical, which means it's not going to be even on both sides. And what that does, it does make it a little more casual, but it's really easy to do. So I definitely recommend you start with this one.
What's up, guys? Today we're going to be learning how to tie a tie. So it's pretty simple. First thing is make sure that your shirt is buttoned up all the way to the top, and you lift up the collar just like that. So now we have our tie. So the big side, it's a little wet, but the big side goes on to your right side and the thin on your left side. Basically what you want to do is place it so this could be aligned with the back, just like that. So the next step is counting 3 buttons down. So 1, 2, 3. So you want this to be aligned with the 3rd button, just like that. So now this one on the thick side goes over, and also you could even do a little bit lower like that, so like 3.5. So this goes over. Hold these with your 2 fingers, and your thumb and your finger. Go over, just like that, and wrap it around the first time. Still pinching this, you want to hold on and take it like this and pull it from the other side. Just like that. Still make sure you have this pinched, and the next step is to get it in that little pocket. So just get it in there and just pull straight down, still holding its form. So now you pull the bottom one to tighten it, the top one to tighten it, and the bottom one to fix it up. So you just want to get it comfortable. See how it makes that? Just want to pinch and pull. Keep doing that. And then just bend the collar back. Now the biggest thing that I look for as well is make sure that it's fully covered. You don't want it sticking out like that. So you just gotta roll it back. And then you could tighten it. Once you have that down, you could tuck in the second thin side right into that one. Now you're ready for a business deal. So,
And that's how you tie a tie like a boss.